148. We got one detained in the shop that walked up and threw a chair at the window.
148, I copy. I have a sergeant covering in copy or any other cars that head that way.
2 or 3 for the moment.
Copy. I copy.
What the fuck, dude?
I looked out and I saw that there was a chair that you threw at the window.
Huh? I threw a chair?
But you did.
Where the fuck I get a chair from?
I have no idea.
Huh? My name is Gab Murder. I'm turning myself in for controlled substance. Word?
Back it up.
Gab Murder. I'm turning myself in for controlled substance.
Stop.
You got it.
Stop.
You got it. I'm here.
Roll over. Roll over. You fucking kidding me?
You got it. Don't kill me, bro. Don't kill me, bro. Don't kill me, bro. Don't kill me, please. Don't kill me. Don't kill me, bro. Don't kill me, bro. Don't kill me.
Cuffed.
Don't kill me. Don't kill me, bro. Please.
148. We got one detained in the sub
Black man, please.
that walked up and threw a chair at the
Don't kill me,
window.
please. I got kids, please.
148, I copy.
Please. I'm a father too. Please.
Sit up.
Kids, bro.
Sit up.
Sit up.
Kids, bro.
Sit there.
Don't valley me.
Don't move.
All right, I stay right here. Just don't valley me. I promise. I give you my word as a man. All right.
Why
the
the
chair at the window?
Listen.
Do you know where you're at?
My name is Gap Murder. Murder, kill, homicide. I took bricks. You heard?
What are you on? What did you take?
Murder, kill, homicide, nigga.
What did
Murder,
you
kill,
take?
homicide, nigga. My name is Gap Murder. Let's talk bricks.
What did
I'm
you
trying
take?
to turn myself in. Controlled substance. You're not listening to me?
You don't go to jail for that.
Oh,
what
well,
did you
then.
take?
Send me somewhere else.
What did you take?
Send me somewhere else.
We started 24 to check them out.
I copy.
What the fuck, dude?
I looked out and I saw that there was a chair that you threw at the window.
Huh? I threw a chair?
But you did.
Where the fuck I get a chair from?
I have no idea.
Outside.
Huh?
It's sitting right outside.
Did you piss yourself?
You got the wrong person, bro. Piss.
I'm asking, did you?
I look like a baby to you? Baby,
No,
only
but
babies
you're all
piss.
wet.
Brother, help me, please. Don't let them kill me. Don't let them kill me. Look at me. Don't let them kill me. Look at me. Look, yo.
I don't know what's going on.
You know exactly what's going on. Don't let them kill me, bro.
Here, let me check and see if you do have warrants. Because controlled substance, you don't go to jail for here. in Franklin
Don't
County.
kill me, bro.
What's your name?
Don't kill me. I just told you my name is Gap Murder. Let's talk.
That's not a
let's
real
talk
name.
bricks. Murder, shoot, kill, homicide, nigga.
Well, you need to go to the hospital and get checked out.
All right.
Let me check
Yo.
this and make sure.
What? Oh,
I'm
hell.
not talking to you. Don't let them kill me, bro. Don't let them kill me. Look at me.
Chill.
Don't look at nobody else. Look at me.
Chill.
Don't let them kill me, bro.
Good
Yo.
God.
Yo,
Rated at
look at me.
1992
You,
and 90.
Ezel. You CPD. You know what they do in the pike. You know what they do in the pike. Look at me. Look me in my eyes when I'm talking to you, bro. You know what they do in the pike. Do not let them kill me.
Officially both for a 33. Sergeant covering you.
What's up, buddy?
1271 Brookway Road.
Oh, more
There's
friends.
3 people outside.
I noticed that it's more
Suspect
of y'all
for a
than
white
us.
Ford or sedan. Male black.
Don't play dummy, Zell. You know what's going on.
33.
Don't let them kill me, bro. I'm begging you. Look at me. Look at me. Don't let them kill me, bro. Look at me. I got kids. I'm a father too. Do not let them kill me, bro. You know where we at. You know what goes on. You know what goes on. You know what's up. Don't let them do it to me. Y'all all wearing body kings, right? Ezel. Don't let them kill me, Ezel. Ezel. Don't let them kill me. Ezel. Ezel. Do not. Thank you.
Good God. You got an extra pair of
Have
gloves on
some
you?
water. Have some water, bro. Please.
I have no water.
All right. I'll wait till we get to wherever we get. I need something to drink.
John, we're going to be 1271 Brookway Road, crosses are Livingston and Allendale. Going
Is
to
it
have
busted?
a couple
checking.
people in a
All right.
gray.
You got gloves on. Can you
just
make sure he's good for a second? Thank you. So I can throw some on.
This is harm you.
Sweaty as hell.
It's the one sub of the fence.
Yeah, I know. I know.
What do you got here?
You don't know how to count? I'm a crazy person.
No one called you crazy.
Same cars responding on that. Be advised, the victim is supposed to be hiding somewhere near Jimmy
Huh?
Lou.
What did you take?
I don't take drugs, sir. I'm a law-abiding citizen. I pay all my taxes.
See an ID or anything?
No.
Of
Told
course.
you, my name is Gap Murder. Shoot, kill, homicide. Let's talk bricks. What I just said? How many times you gonna make me repeat myself? Put your finger in my ass. Y'all like to play.
Put my finger in your butt.
Like I said, y'all know how y'all like to play. Oh, yo. Oh, yeah, y'all not DC. Y'all ain't undercover, so y'all don't do that.
Why don't you sit up, dude, instead of leaning on your chest?
Yo, bro. Listen, bro. I know. He's out.
Gavin, sit up.
Sit up. Stop. Look,
Sit up.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Okay, I didn't say you're resisting. I'm saying sit up.
I'm in cuffs.
Jeez.
Let's keep in mind I get in cuffs. I'm trying to pose as limited threat to y'all as possible. Like
Cool,
I
then
said,
stay
it's
right
two
there and you're good.
me and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of y'all.
There's
I'm
2
not
of you?
dumb. I know where I'm at. This is where Prohibition started. Y'all know what's under them jails? Ezel, do not let them do it to me. Like I said, y'all know what's under them jails. Y'all know what goes on here. Take me to the pipe.
What for?
Controlled substance, nigga.
I told you can't go to jail.
I'm turning myself in. What don't you understand? My name is Gat Murder. I talk bricks. Murder, shoot, kill, homicide. That's what I do. Now, if I run, y'all gonna shoot me. That's why I'm laying here.
Okay.
So, I'm not doing a goddamn thing until y'all do what y'all gotta do.
Well, we're gonna have a medic come check you out and probably take you somewhere.
All right. That's fine. Can I get a water, please? I can't get nothing to drink. That's human decency, bro.
Water.
Look,
I'll
bro.
Get you some water.
Yeah, y'all doing me wrong. That's why he's out not saying
nothing. Who you are.
You just sitting there. Why you got it? Why does it matter who I'm in? Just let me get something to drink. I'm asking for water, bro. Y'all got these cuffs on tight as fuck, so to the point that I can't move, and y'all won't even give me water. That's a human necessity that I need to survive. I can't get a water, bro. Y'all don't know what the fuck I was doing before I got here. I can't get nothing to drink.
I
tell y'all whatever y'all want to know. Just give me some water.
Right.
Damn.
What do we want to know?
Give me some water and I'll tell you everything.
Okay. I want to know what you took so I can tell you.
Give me some water and I can tell you. Maybe I'll remember. My brain. What's it called? What's the chemicals in your brain, Ezel? I don't know neither. When a woman loves. When a woman loves. Yo, these shits hurt, bro. Why is y'all doing me like this? I can't even get a sign to drink, bro. This is crazy.
He literally just wants to get you some water.
I just want water. All right, when you got water, all right, cool. Thank you. I apologize. Please, pardon self. I don't know too much of what's going on right now. These shits is tight as fuck, bro. Y'all don't gotta have these shits that tight on me. Shit.
We don't have
I thought you was going to get water. See, Ezel, look how they doing me. Look how they doing me, Ezel.
Hey, I went.
Look how they doing me. They ain't got cups for water.
You want me to check those cuffs? You gotta stop moving. If you sit still, I'll check the cuffs. Jesus. There you go.
Take that chair inside. Take that chair inside. I can't.
Thank you. Thank you. It's 2v. 1, 2, 3, 4. See what I'm saying?
This is the best officer we got in the department.
I bet it is. That's why he is. What's your name, sir?
Officer Toby.
Nice to meet you, Officer Toby.
Young man?
Totally nice, fine gentleman. My name is Gat Murder, and I talk bricks.
You deal with the best here, man.
All right, murder, shoot, kill, homicide. I'm trying to turn myself in for controlled substance. They saying that's not a crime. I asked for some water. They denying me my basic human rights.
He threw a chair at the front window.
Listen, all right, Officer Toddler, regardless of what happened, they denying me water. Officer Toddler, they won't let me get a cup of water, bro. They could give me the cup of water.
Well, I heard him like, did someone just like kick in our front door?
They got me water.
And there's
I can't get water.
Stain and then a chair.
I can't get water. That's crazy, bro.
204, I'll be 2V. Send me the 48.
This is why you had to come here. Look how they doing me. Look how they doing me, Ezel. Look how they doing me.
And then he started going crazy.
Yo, bro, I just want some water. Thank you.
I checked.
I'm not going with neither.
Nope.
Don't touch me.
Look.
They trying to kill me. Look at me. They trying to kill me. Don't let them kill me, bro. I just want water. Don't let them take me. I'm only riding with you or Ezel. Do not let none of these niggas take me. You know what they do here. You know what happened in these jails. This is where prohibition started.
I copy. I'm sorry, what's your cross with Corndale?
I just want something to drink, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy.
So you got cups in the sub.
Oh.
Yeah, like it's fine. We'll be at the sub with 148.
Sunday 133, answer him and Lee Ellen.
Copy.
Here you go, young man.
Thank you, bro.
You got it. You got it.
Chopper to 93. I haven't seen anybody. I want to have seen the car driving around. Plus,
Sad as fuck, bro. You see what I'm saying? Please, bro. I appreciate it.
Unless you guys get something else, we're going to call it code 4 at this point.
It take a second black officer for y'all to give me water. That's crazy.
Did I not just go check for cups?
Yo, bro, when y'all run all these body cams back, y'all gonna see that's the first thing I ask for.
Huh? What's your first name?
Copy, Chopper.
Yeah.
Yeah, listen, you're in good hand, man. They would have taken care of you. I just happen to have something in my cruiser, that's all.
I don't believe that, sir. I ain't falling for that bullshit.
No,
Neither
these are
should
good
you.
officers right
Like I
here,
said, I know where I'm at. I know what's going on. He's out.
You want some more?
He's out.
Getting cold, ain't it?
Whew. Got some more.
Yep.
Oh, shit.
Replacing that one or just
You take anything today,
They're
man?
replacing the sensors or just gonna have two of them?
No, they're cutting this off because
What's your other last name?
what's up, guys?
Johnny.
How are you?
Johnny Gap.
GAP? You want to check
Control
you out?
sensor.
Johnny, I'm your favor. They're going to check you out. We're just going to check your vitals, okay?
Okay.
I won't get a name for you.
Okay.
Oh, shit. I almost drowned. Did you see that? That ain't even help me. Y'all was gonna let me die. That's crazy. Y'all was just gonna let me die?
Make sure he's all right vitally. He's trying to say he's
Shit. He's out. Now listen. Is this the last time the world ever see me? Y'all know what happened to me.
Hey, what's your name, partner?
That murder.
Okay.
Can I get up? Can I
How do you
do?
spell
I
that?
have 1, 2, 3, 4 permission to get up. Well, really 1, 2, 3. I ain't asking y'all to. Do I have your permission to get up?
Hey.
I don't have your permission either, right?
Hey.
Why are you touching me, sir? I ain't
Because
touching you. I'm not in
I'm
no
medical.
position to touch you.
I'm
Honestly.
medical.
But why
I don't
you?
care.
I know you don't care. That's why you
So-
talking to me the way that you talking to me. Because you don't give a fuck about me or my human rights.
Why do you think I'm gonna check
I
your
was
vitals?
born with 3 basic human rights. Can you tell me what those rights is?
No.
Exactly. Because you don't know.
Get a blood pressure.
Y'all treat me like I'm not a human being. I'm not hurt at all.
So they don't spit or anything like that on it.
Bro, all I wanted was water. Y'all treat me like, I don't know, left and right.
Why'd you tell me?
Why'd you put your hands on me? Why did you put your hands on me? No.
Yeah.
Every cop standing here saw you put your arm, grab me aggressively.
So you don't hurt yourself?
No. Before.
Yeah.
Before that.
No.
Okay. I don't got nothing else to say to you.
And we get your blood pressure, all right? This arm here.
Drink anything tonight?
We were literally in there and we heard a loud bang up front. He went to go check that out. I honestly thought like someone dropped something in the bathroom or something. And then he's over here. Danny opens the door. He throws his hoodie at him. Goes to take off. I put him a taser point and then he just drops on the ground.
That's it.
Alright. And here we are.
You take any medication?
He's out. 1 and 2, the paramedics, you heard? This
Johnny?
is
You're not
straight out
working
of
with us.
power.
You gonna answer him?
Huh?
You're not working with us. You gonna tell him
I'm
your
not
name?
trying to. I'm talking to the body cam. Because if the cops is not cops.
Fine.
The paramedics is
I mean, he's on
deputies. They
something.
correctional officers.
He's taking something. It's wired him that much, but I mean medically, I don't think.
All right, so look, will y'all take me back to the pipe where I've been 2 times since this year
But
started,
if you want,
and they
I mean, we can
proved
take him
that
over
I ain't have
to
nothing in my
Mount
system. What y'all gonna say?
Let me ask you this. Is he,
I got my coordinator
Listen to me.
coming.
Listen to me. They know who I am.
Yep.
They deleted all my records.
All right, we're going to try to put him in the wagon and do something. I don't know if we can get to Mount Carmel East or what.
Mount Carmel East. I went there when I had COVID.
Huh?
Finesse Mallory.
Okay, is he blank?
I literally just pulled this up.
Okay. How'd you know who he was?
Because he gave him Mallory. I just ran into
He's out.
Shap.
You ready? I'm coming with you. I press you, get in. How do you? Don't come in, bro. Not from here. Right here, bro. None of y'all niggas. Why you hiding, bro?
Come on.
Why you hiding?
Finesse. Let's go.
Now you know my name, right? Now
Yeah, I know who you are.
Watch your head. All right.
Hey, where'd you put his 40?
It's on the front of our cruiser still.
Alright, I'm gonna run in there real quick and grab my phone.
Put it in.
Yeah, turn off your computer.
Hey, if you have the vehicle,
Finesse.
Sal, you just want, it's on the hood of our cruiser if you want to go grab it.
Isaac, can you get the medics info? It's up on your...
Jerry, you just at least want to follow in case you guys want to talk with me and chat to get him in. Thanks.
I can't go back there. I got to go in front.
You gonna be in front?
I'm going to be with you, man. Actually, I'm supposed to be a guard.
Oh, 9 o'clock. I mean, whether it's excited delirium on top of, I don't know what.
Well, he's talking
Did EMS come with this patient at all?
Say what?
Did any EMS come with this patient at all?
They treated him at our substation. They checked his blood pressure. His heart rate was 144, and blood pressure seemed normal at the sub.
Pay attention. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I don't need to help. Touch it. Listen, all right, bro. Do not leave my side, y'all two.
You're at the hospital here, brother.
I know where I'm at. This is Mount Carmel East.
There you go.
Finesse Daquan Mallory. I was born in 1798. Do not let them kill me. I know where I'm at.
We're here to take
I've been in.
Shap. Where's he at?
That's why it's 31.
Hey, Shap. You keep this unlocked. I'm gonna move it so that way if a medic comes in here, they can get in here.